What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I have a special guest. He's currently flying high.
I was a teenager, this is what we used as a stepping, what's it called?
A stepping machine, yeah. He's doing some cardio, he's warming up because today's session we're doing something a little bit special. I feel like every time I'm
flying teabag.
I feel like every time
Have you ever seen a flying teabag?
Every time I'm with Matt, some kind of challenge goes down. And I don't want to do a food challenge because nothing good ever comes from doing something like that. So in today's session, we're going to do a 1,000
strangling me
arm challenge. Okay, so we're going to do 1,000 reps each. Yeah?
1,000 reps each.
Are you ready for this?
I did 2,500 yesterday, so this is actually this is a warm down. This is just
let me just make this clear as well. Like, you don't need to do 1,000 reps to make your arms grow. This is definitely overdoing it ever so slightly, but why not? It's a bit of fun. And I've never really tried to do 1,000 reps in a session before.
It's a lot. 1,000 reps is a lot, isn't it? Like,
yeah.
Just putting it out there, that's a lot of reps. Like, I'm quite scared.
Yeah. So
I'd say there's a 70% chance one of us is going to tear a bicep tendon. So
probably you, because you know I'm sensible. Bam. So we're going to start off with.
That was the worst.
That was the best transition ever.
No, it wasn't.
Transitions again.
Literally the opposite to what you just said.
I'm having a shot of pre-workout because I feel like I'm going to need it in this session. How many milligrams of caffeine is this?
350.
Yeah.
Is that even is that allowed?
350.
Is that legal?
I don't know. We'll see how it's going to affect my body.
Imagine if you die. Imagine if Mike dies live on
Good
camera.
clickbait then.
Yeah.
So we're going to start off easy curls, 10 reps. Straight into dumbbell curls, 12 reps. Finishing off with reverse easy bar curls, 15 reps. Count for me, it makes it easier. 1,
2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 10. Go! These supersets.
Looking for.
Last 5, come on. 4, 3, 2, last one.
How long is going to be able to keep this pump for?
That's my song. If you're going to ask me to choose my favourite workout song, I couldn't have chosen a better one than this.
I predict the pump is going to go like this in the session about halfway through.
I predict
it's just going to go like that.
4 supersets. Tell me right now.
Right, so we're going to move on to tricep now because the bicep's absolutely done in. We're going to do close grip bench press. Then we're going to superset it with dumbbell kickbacks like that. And then into tricep dips. So 3 tricep exercises in a row. Again, it's kind of difficult to gauge the weight with this because the first set might be alright and then the fourth might be an absolute
This is a heads up disclaimer, right? Throughout the entirety of this video, bear in mind we've done like 50,000 reps, right? So like the weight is going to be light, so cut some slack, yeah?
curls, 12 reps, both at the same time. Then we're going to alternate it with the dumbbells, hammer curls, which is going to be 10 each arm, so 20 reps total. If Matt can hurry up and find some dumbbells.
There's no tins. Trying to find dumbbells is like trying to find a freaking... Dumbbells not there.
Organisation in this place is subpar. Rest periods are pretty short because we've got a lot to go through, so it's almost like it's one on, one off. Quite light.
I should have skipped hard now.
Yeah, that got harder. That got harder. Matt putting the weights back, well done, well done. This is how we do it in the gym. Now we're going to move on to double rope / chain tricep extension, 10 reps. Then we're going to go to overhead tricep extension, 12 reps, and then close grip press up for 15.
This chain came straight from Mike's bondage room at home, by the way. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Elbows in. There you go, yeah. Lock your arms up. That's it, yeah. Give me a hand.
Next one, 4 exercises in a row, but it's going to go bicep, tricep, bicep, tricep.
That's weird. That's what they're giving birth. It's called the giving birth curl. It's called the birth curl. It's called the labour curl. The maternity curl.
Good sir, pass me the dumbbells please. No, 10, 4,
You only go in the gym and there's like a couple of absolute goons hogging like 12 like worker areas. That is us today.
Pass back, sir.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last 2, 1, 11, 12.
Right, so this is the final bicep exercise. What we're going to do, easy bar. This one can't be very heavy. I'm going to do 10 reps, then Matt's going to do 10 reps, then I'm going to do 10 reps. I'm going to go backwards and forwards until we've hit 100 reps.
Oh, no, that's 20 minutes. Pull up. Like that.
Brick style.
And now we're going to rest, and we're going to do it again. Final exercise of the day, similar to the easy curl we just did. It's going to be an overhead version. 10 reps each, all the way up to 100, 2 rounds. Like the session done 1,000 repetitions each. I feel like I've definitely gone well beyond the point where the pump, maximum pumps has been achieved.
I feel like I've been violated profusely and in a prolonged manner. I'm now at the point where I look worse than I would do on an ordinary day.
Yeah, would you do that again?
No.
Yeah, I don't think I'd do it again. Just experienced this first time I've done 1,000 reps. But anyway, big shout out to Muscle Works Gym for letting us train there. Definitely gonna go back there because the lighting was insane.
Big shout out to this bad boy.
The glutes. Why the glutes did you shout out?
She liked that.
So yeah, make sure you subscribe to Matt's channel because it's absolutely kicking off now.
I would, to be honest, in all seriousness, my channel is really, really bad. This is not a widely endorsed statistic, but 74% of people that subscribe to my channel die within the next 24 hours.
Pretty intense.
And the relationship you have with your family and loved ones probably don't do it.
Yeah, so that's Matt for you. Anyway, now we're going to get some sushi, so quick back time. Quick one before I go, make sure you check out my training programs on my website, www.MattDoesFitness.co.uk. If you want to see the full workout, which has been shown today, I'll put it all in the description for you, but like I said before, not really necessary if you want to grow big arms. Thanks for watching, see you soon.